Hey everybody in the Hummel group, this is Eric. I want to show you guys the repair from hell. So what's going on here on my Hummel, the skin, the rear trailing skin was all one piece. So it was going from the top to the edge and coming back. Unlike the kits, this is a home build. So the mistake was that usually the skin going from here, from this corner, all the way up here and then bent like a Z and going back around the trailing edge over here and the rear spar. On mine it was not done like that, so because it was like the triangle already here. So what I have to do right now is add this piece right here. So I bended like kind of a Z shape, it's going all the way forward here, coming down and going there again, it's Z, and it's going all the way to the center, and then it's going to get rivets with everything else. And then we're gonna close the skin around it this way, so it's gonna be like a sandwich together, and this is gonna give the reinforcement that the rear of the wings need. Now I'm gonna do it in a couple of days. I'm just preparing all the parts now, so if anybody have any comments or think about a better way to do that, let me know. Now I personally don't think that this piece was needed, because there is the L bracket here, and then also the entire skin is covering everything top to bottom. Of course it will add some strength to it, but just I want other people's opinion. Let me know what you think. I think this is the repair from hell, because you had to remove everything from the airplane, like, you know, like it's to strip everything. So I took an advantage of it to clean a little bit. The inside was very dirty with a lot of dirt, and to go over and inspect over here all the nut and bolts and everything and all the rivets, and to see that everything done like it should. So there is a little bit stuff to clean, but I'm getting good progress on this. Just if you have any idea or anything, let me know. This is after I talked to actually Hummel, consulted with them, and then I talked to Dennis Brook and we came with an idea. First it was supposed to be like a U shape going from here down and then backwards, and then figure out that it will be actually, if you go in here and look up to the ribs, it will be better, give a little bit more strength. That's it. See you on my next video for my airplane. Let me go back a little bit so you see where I am in building it right now. So let's look right like this. See you in my next video. Bye. So I clicko the wings real quick, a couple of clickos just to see how it sits. And this is how it's go. You see from the bottom over here to the going up the top, and then it's gonna I'm gonna add another inch, every inch hole over here, but it's end up actually pretty good. Then I have to put the rivets inside, of course, but overall it's end up nice. And then I have the triangle pieces that gonna go here. So overall it's actually look pretty good right now. Look pretty good and pretty straight. I don't think it twisted the wings at all. No, everything looked good. Okay, hopefully it will all be good, and I will show you guys more progress.